Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Willow Bow in Gothic 1 Remake. The Willow Bow is a low dex requirement bow that is useful during the middle stages of the game, if you're looking for a decent bow for your build. Although it's found in an area that's normally visited in Chapter 3, you can actually obtain it as early as Chapter 1. What you'll want to do is head to the castle at the Mountain Fortress, right here as you can see on the map. Ignore all the enemies that you'll encounter on your way to this location, aside from the harpies at the entrance. The path to the cell we're looking for is a bit of a maze, so just follow my path carefully. Once you get here, simply unlock this gate using the combination in the link that I've pinned in the comment section below. Loot the chest inside and you'll acquire the Willow Bow. The Willow Bow provides 48 points of damage, which only requires 38 points of dexterity to equip, which you can easily get from equipping rings and a few dexterity upgrades from Diego. And that's how to get the Willow Bow in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.